Hello. So I like to get to know my audience. So can I just get a show of hands of who's experienced renting a property? Okay, so that's most. Any landlords in the room at all? Okay, one. Fine. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna tailor it to renters. I'll show you two things, and I'll leave you with a comment at the end. So the main premise behind Wigwamm is you can transact anything online except for property. Right now, property is just listings, so it's basically phone heavy. You see something online, you got to call someone and be told either yes, it's still available, or no, it's not. We wanted to create an Amazon for property. So just a quick shout out. Any problems that anybody experienced when trying to find a place to rent?
There aren't any.
Okay, so stuff doesn't exist. That's the biggest problem. Anything else?
The rent is too damn high.
Okay. So stuff doesn't exist. Rent's high. Anything else?
Landlord's crazy.
Okay, landlord's crazy.
Brokers need to disappear.
Okay.
It's a lot of demand. There's a lot of other people that want the same thing.
So that's an interesting point. What if I told you that the demand is fake? That when you see stuff online and you call someone, you're one of many people calling that one person who has one bit of stock. So they report back saying, there's 15 people looking for my one place. But actually there's probably 15, say, 2-bed places and 15 people looking. It's fake demand. So what we're trying to create is a marketplace that's based around an event. So Monday night, there's an auction for all the local rental property. So our job is to sort up the local brokers and landlords so that there's a single list of property that's available and there's clear information, and you don't have to be the first one in the door. It's not up to luck anymore. It's up to who wants it the most. So the most requested feature that everyone's given for when they want to see property is they want to see photos, because they want to be able to make a decision, am I going to waste my time to go and view this place? No one's going to take their next home without going to view it. So just enough information to show you the place. So our UI is really simple. Side to side, so very touch friendly, it's more property. Say you like this one, you'll swipe up and down to see more of this property. So it's a really set order. Say you like this bedroom, how does it compare to the others? Well, just keep going side to side. You can shortlist, you can see more detail, you can change area, and come Monday night, everyone who's interested bids at the same time. It's entirely transparent, and in Meteor, this is what we built first. So the auction is really simple. You can see where you are compared to where the auction is. You can also see where your shortlisted properties are. And if you bid, it extends the counter by 18 seconds. So you essentially have 18 seconds to be outbid or to make a decision if you've been outbid. That's pretty much it. Everything else is just about...
I'm getting nervous. Bid something.
Sorry? Well, obviously somebody else wants this a lot. But, I mean, that's Wigwamm. We want to create a true marketplace. The premise we give everybody is if Amazon never had any available stock, it'd be a really small player in a massive market. That's every listing site. That's why there are so many. No one's got it right. The internet is such that one player usually dominates its market unless everyone's getting it wrong. Well, I lost that one, but if you want to come and chat to me, we are hiring, or just come and talk to me about your experiences. Every little conversation helps us build the right product. Thanks. Oh, sorry. Sorry to interrupt the clapping. I had one thing to put out there. Everyone that I've spoken to says, oh, Meteor is really great for getting a hack up and running. I want to counter that and say, while it's great for getting a hack up and running, the intermediate stage of getting things changed is really tough because Meteor is all new. The value for me with Meteor is it's going to be incredibly scalable and you're going to have a very cool product because Meteor fights back. If you want to do anything complex, it says, nah, keep it simple. And I think that's what I'd like everybody to think about. Thanks.